In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Firefox is already running but is not responding error. If you receive the message, Firefox is already running but is not responding, it usually means that a Firefox process is still running in the background or that the browser didn't close properly during a previous session. In some cases, the issue may also be caused by a damaged browser profile or software interfering with Firefox. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take to resolve the problem and get Firefox working again. To begin, close any visible Firefox windows. Even if the browser doesn't appear to be open, it may still be running in the background. Right-click on the Windows search bar, then select Task Manager. Look through the list of running processes for Mozilla Firefox. If you find one or more Firefox processes, select each one and click End Task. Once all Firefox processes have been closed, try opening Firefox again. If the error still appears, restart your computer. Restarting Windows clears any remaining Firefox processes and temporary system issues that could be preventing the browser from starting correctly. After restarting, try launching Firefox once more. If it still doesn't open, consider starting Firefox in troubleshoot mode. This temporarily disables extensions and hardware acceleration, making it easier to determine whether an extension or custom setting is causing the problem. If Firefox opens successfully in troubleshoot mode, disable or remove recently added extensions one at a time until you identify the one responsible for the issue. After making changes, restart Firefox normally to verify that the problem has been resolved. If the error continues, create a new Firefox profile using the Firefox Profile Manager. A corrupted profile can sometimes prevent Firefox from launching correctly, and creating a new profile allows you to determine whether your existing profile is the source of the problem. You should also make sure you're using the latest version of Firefox. Browser updates often include bug fixes, stability improvements, and compatibility enhancements that can resolve startup issues. If none of these steps solve the problem, temporarily disable your antivirus or security software to determine whether it's preventing Firefox from starting. Some security programs may mistakenly block browser processes. After testing, remember to enable your protection again. Once you've completed these troubleshooting steps, try opening Firefox one more time. In most cases, the browser should start normally without displaying the "Firefox is already running, but is not responding" error. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel.